Hi, this is Subindu here. Once again, I have created one more tutorial on part 2 of the animation rigging. In this tutorial, I will show how to do the foot IK. For different purpose, what I am currently doing is the soccer game. So you will get a clear idea about the foot IK and I can control, how it can be controlled. So we have already did that head trigger aiming. Now I am jumping to foot trigger aiming. So let's start. Before going to that new tutorial, I am just want to say, if you have seen the part 1, I have already explained that you have to do first. You have to choose that where it is the animator is there. So if animator is there, you have to create a rig here on where animator is there. So don't worry about this animation events, it's not for you. And here first we have created early the head trigger aiming. Now I will do two more for left or right foot animation rig. Let's start. Go to the animation rigging and rig setup. From where it is the animator is there, not the root of that game. So I am going to the where the skeleton is there. So make that on that particular object, game object, and make rig builder. I have already explained earlier video. Now I am moving to the rig setup once again. When I do rig setup, it will create one more rig here automatically. So the next slot is rig 1. So I am renaming that one foot left, foot aiming. And for aiming, after creating this one, once again I have to create this empty game object here, empty game object, and renaming it for the constant. So foot left constant, and we will add 2 bone IK constant. You have to find out 2 bone IK constant. Okay, and after that one I will also create one more for the right. Create rig setup, but it's saying something is wrong. Why? Because when I create that rig, I am selecting this one, means foot left aiming. So this is not the correct position. You have to choose the skeleton hierarchy, means model, FBX model. So choose that one and create animation rig setup, and it will occupy the third one. Copy the naming here and put that name here, and change left to right, and create one more empty game object inside that right foot. Okay, aiming, create empty, and name same. Just copy this constant naming here and change that right, and we will add again 2 1 IK constant, And can you remember? You can remember that we have already used multi aim constant for multi joint. Here I am here using the 2 bone IK constant. So what I need: root, mid, and tip, and the settings. So for the root, I have to go just like this is a left foot. So in the skeleton we have to find left leg. Here it is. So already there are 3. It's open. So I am dragging here left up leg to root. Then left leg, it's a knee, and this is the foot joint. After adding that one, I'm just going to for the right foot once again with the same settings, and dragging the up leg, then right knee, and then foot. Okay, both are adjusted, and weight should be 1 if you want to make it full weighted. And then go to that both cases we have to change the none to position and rotation. So it will depend where it constant. It will what, when I create any controller here, it will take the position and rotation of that joint. Okay, here we have to create 2 things. One, we create empty game object and name it target, and another I will create empty game object. This is the we will name it by the name hint. Okay, because we can remember this one. And for the right foot as well, we have to do 2 more target, and the second was hint. Now what is the position of the target? Target already recreated, so here is the position actually it is creating. So we have to move that target to the what we are doing left foot. So we will move this target to the left foot. Okay, so how do we move target? Click the left control target and foot, left foot is the left foot, and then go to the animation rigging and align position. So it will automatically target will align here with the foot. Okay, and hint is we have to put the hint here at the knee position. Okay, so we will not move the kit directly to the knee, and just click the hint and left control leg means knee, then same go to the position, align the position. So it will align the position of the knee, then move it out from the knee. Okay, just move it out and little bit off. So both cases we have did, but we cannot see, so we can use now. We will use the gizmo here. Click the locator and it will so we can use the ball effector. look that. And the sorry, not hint, I will create that at the target first, and drag and drop the ball effector. I think we should little bit larger than 6, so you can select easily. Okay, and for the hint we will use locator effect already created, so we will remove that, and box effector we will use. Okay, so, and we will reduce the size of the box effector by 0.5. And we will change the color as well. So target we will keep the blue to understand correctly, and hint to blue. And for the right foot we will do first align that one, left control, select the foot, and then align the position. After aligning the position, we will add a effector, that is wall for foot, and change the size to 0.16. Okay, and for hint we will do box. So again we have to find the right leg, means knee position, and then go to the position, and it will take the orientation and position both. So we will create once again the box with a value of 0.5, and push it forward, pull it forward, and at the position, same position, copy and paste here. So both are in front of that character. Okay, now move little bit left and right for both cases, little bit, not huge. Copy that its value and put this here with the positive value. Okay, now it is little bit forward. Everything done. Now we will put the target here, target to target, and hint to hint, and position and rotation should be the same, otherwise it will make offset. Okay, and then go to the right, same thing, target and hint. Everything done. Now we are ready to do the foot test. Let's start. Now you can see the gizmos here. Let's move, try to move if it is working or not. Yeah, it's working. Look that trigger right now. After doing that, it is trigger once again. Fine. Thanks a lot for wait for the next video. I will do the code here for the each character. Okay, till then, bye.